Hey friends, if Microsoft Store is stuck on pending when downloading apps and programs, then please watch this video. So here's the thing, simply perform WS reset to clear the cache. How would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and it will reopen the window. The next one is to re-register the Microsoft Store. So we have a command line for you. Simply copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and then hit enter. And the last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.